Hey everyone, this is Carl with StoneHouse Foundation Repair. I wanted to go over our simple 4-step process that we have in place to help you get your foundation fixed. The first thing you have to do is schedule your inspection, okay? We're gonna come out, we're gonna do your inspection, we're gonna shoot readings all throughout your home to see if you even need foundation repair, okay? Once we leave your home, that inspection report is gonna go to our office. In our office, we're going to look over your report. We're going to reach out to you to schedule the inspection review. At that point, we're going to want to go over it with you over the phone to make sure you understand everything and answer any questions you might have. At that point, step 3 is you give us the green light, okay? You tell us, yes, StoneHouse, we want to use you. You're professional. We love everything about you. We want to go with you. You sign our contract, basically giving us the green light, and we do the rest. We take it from there. We'll update you throughout the process, and you sit back and get your foundation repaired.